Ito na, ito na. Ito na talaga. Ang performance si Arabelle and Jong, sila yung top 2. Final one-on-one flash. Oh my God, wag lang talagang magkamali. Wag lang talagang magkamali. Sinasabi ko. Sino unang kakanta? Original song ba? Si Arabelle. Wag lang talagang magkamali. Si Chloe dyan natalo last year. I believe I can fly.
Now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms.
Okay.
If I can see it,
I believe I can fly.
then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly.
Nice.
I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day.
Grabe talaga yung tibay ng boses ni Arabelle, sa totoo lang.
And fly away.
Magaling talaga siya.
I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe
Tsaka buong-buo yung boses niya.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. 'Cause I believe in me. And nothing can hang on.
Oh my God, napakadelikado naman. Buong-buo yung boses niya. What's next? Now this is time for Jong. Okay.
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save.
Someone you loved.
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I
Oh my God. Kalma lang. Wow.
tonight, boy, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. And I
Wow, the texture.
close my eyes when it hurts sometimes. I fall into your arms.
Grabe yung emotion niya. Wait. I really love that. I really love that execution.
When it hurts sometimes, I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your sound till I come back around.
Kalma lang, Jong.
But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Kinalmahan niya lang, mami. Kinalmahan lang tayo ni Jong. Oh my God. Ay, meron pa.
But now the day bleeds into night,
Eto na siya.
and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting
Akala ko tapos na.
being someone you
Oh my God, this is so hard.
I let my guard down,
Sino yung mananalo dito, mami?
I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
The crescendo is given. Wow, sinong mananalo dito? Oh my God, sige nga. Tingnan natin. I-a-announce na ba?
Palakpakan ulit natin sina Joe at Arabel.
Tapos na kaya ay...
Ating final two.
Wow.
Pananahan na natin ang The Clash 2025
Sino mananalo?
Grand Champion.
Sa pagbabalik yan
Ay, ano ba yun?
The Clash 2025
Grand Finale!
Anyways, it is our for today's video from the performance of Arabel and Chong sa top 2 nila na performance. Ang performance nila top 2. But for me talaga, ang hirap. Pero for me, quality of the voice and of course the emotions, the delivery, dictions, and alam mo yung clarity. Doon ako kay Chong. Kasi kay Arabel, merong konti na parang kinakain niya eh. Parang hindi ko maintindihan. Pero though we know that the fact na alam ko talaga na si Jong talaga yung favorite ko. Pero Jong na to.
When it hurts so much,
Jong na talaga to.
I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your sound till I come back around. But now the day bleeds
Ganda.
to nightfall,
Linis.
and you're not here.
Yung emotion niya, pati yung pronunciation na.
I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you
Akala ko tapos na eh. Akala ko kinalmahan niya lang eh. Hindi pa pala.
now the day bleeds
Jong na to. Pero gusto ko din si Arabel eh.
and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Tungkot ang bato. Kababayan pala to ni Elias TV.
I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being
Grabe yung emotion niya dyan eh. Hey. Alright. There you go guys. That is our for today's video. The performance of Jong and Arabel. Grabe.